Let's address the elephant in the showroom. You're looking for a UTV. You look at the big three, Polaris, Can-Am, Honda, and you realize that by the time you add a roof, a windshield, and a winch, you're looking at a price tag that could buy you a very nice used truck. Enter the 2026 HISUN Forester 750. For years, HISUN has been the value king, the brand that gives you the accessories for free that others charge thousands for. But is the 2026 model finally refined enough to be more than just a budget choice? Today, we're doing a deep dive review of the Forester 750 to see if it's truly the best budget UTV for your money, or if you're better off saving your pennies for the premium brands. The first thing you notice about the Forester 750 isn't the engine or the suspension, it's the stuff that comes with it. While other brands give you a bare-bones roll cage and a good luck handshake, HISUN packs the Forester. We're talking about a 3,500-pound winch mounted and ready to go, a two-piece tilting windshield, a full hardtop roof, side view mirrors, and even turn signals with a horn. In many jurisdictions, this bike is nearly street legal right out of the crate. For 2026, they've also upgraded the lighting to a full LED package, including some very aggressive-looking daytime running lights. If you were to buy these parts separately for a competitor's base model, you're easily adding $2,500 to $3,000 to your bill. With HISUN, that's just Tuesday. But as we know, a UTV is more than just a collection of bolt-on parts. It has to actually work. Powering the Forester is HISUN's tried-and-true 735/TEX-CC single-cylinder SOHC engine. It's liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and puts out roughly 38 to 42 horsepower. Now, let's be real. This isn't a racing machine. It's a thumper. You're going to feel some vibration in the cabin at idle. That's just the nature of a big single-cylinder piston doing its job. But once you get moving, the power delivery is surprisingly linear. The automatic CVT features high, low, neutral, reverse, and park. One common critique of HISUN in the past was a notchy shifter, but for 2026, the linkage feels noticeably smoother. On the trail, the Forester 750 tops out at around 50 to 55 mph. It's not going to win any drag races against a RZR, but for checking fences, hauling wood, or cruising Forest Service roads, it's got more than enough oomph to get the job done. Handling-wise, the Forester sits on dual A-arms both front and rear. For 2026, HISUN has leaned into nitrogen-charged shocks with adjustable preload. The ride is firm. On slow, technical rocky sections, it's a beast. The electronic power steering EPS, which comes standard on the 750, makes navigating tight timber a breeze. You don't get that kickback through the steering wheel when you hit a stump. However, if you're planning on sending it over high-speed whoops, you'll find the limits of this suspension pretty quickly. It's tuned for utility and moderate trail riding, not desert pre-running. With 12 inches of ground clearance and standard 27-inch radial tires on 14-inch aluminum rims, you've got plenty of room to clear most trail obstacles without scraping your belly pans. The Forester name implies work, and the specs back it up. The rear hydraulic dump bed can handle about 500 pounds, and the machine is rated to tow upwards of 1,200 pounds. Whether it's bags of feed or a small utility trailer, this is a legitimate work tool. Inside the cab, things have stepped up for 2026. You get a new, bright digital dash that's easy to read even in direct sunlight. The bench seat is wide enough for two large adults, though adding a third might be a getting-to-know-you experience you weren't prepared for. One minor gripe: the storage. While there is an underhood compartment and a glove box, we'd love to see a bit more creative storage in the dash for things like phones and tools. But hey, for the price point, the fit and finish are actually quite respectable. The panels align better than they used to, and the doors shut with a confident thud rather than a clatter. So, is the 2026 HISUN Forester 750 the best budget UTV for the money? If you are a property owner who needs a reliable, pre-accessorized workhorse for a fraction of the cost of a Polaris Ranger, the answer is a resounding yes. You get a massive amount of utility and extra features for a price that usually sits $4,000 to $5,000 below the big names. The trade-off: you don't get the massive dealer network of a Honda or Yamaha, and the resale value won't be as high. But if you're planning to buy a machine, use it for a decade on the farm, and you want it ready to go the day you buy it, the Forester 750 is a serious contender. It's no longer just a cheap alternative. It's a competent, well-equipped machine that respects your wallet.